Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going on a virtual trip to a place I really love, the Greek islands. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible islands, from their ancient stories to their beautiful scenery. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore 7 must-see Greek islands, each one special and interesting. We'll learn about their history, culture, and amazing landscapes. So, relax, and let me be your guide as we discover the hidden treasures and famous landmarks of these Mediterranean paradises. Get ready to add some new places to your travel wish list. Our first stop is Santorini, a very famous island known for its stunning beauty and unique charm. This island is a dream destination for many travelers around the world. With its white villages perched on top of volcanic cliffs, Santorini is a sight you have to see. The contrast between the white buildings and the deep blue sea is simply breathtaking. Imagine walking through the narrow, winding streets, with the Aegean Sea sparkling in the distance. The streets are filled with charming shops, cozy cafes and friendly locales. Santorini is amazing, with its beautiful sunsets, tasty food and cute shops. The sunsets here are legendary, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink and purple. But the beaches are what make it really special. Each beach has its own unique charm and beauty, offering something for everyone. From the black sands of Parissa and Perivolos, where the dark volcanic sand contrasts beautifully with the clear blue water, to the red sands of Red Beach, Santorini's beaches are one of a kind. The red cliffs and sand create a striking and unforgettable landscape. The island's volcanoes made these cool beaches, each one different. The volcanic activity has shaped the island in fascinating ways, creating unique geological formations. Imagine swimming in the clear water, the sun warming you, with the big cliffs behind you. The water is so clear that you can see the colorful marine life beneath the surface. And those cliffs have some of the best views ever. From the top you can see the entire island, the surrounding sea, and even other nearby islands. Picture yourself with a glass of local wine as the sun sets, making the sky full of colors. The local wines are renowned for their unique flavors, thanks to the volcanic soil. It's a moment you'll never forget. The combination of the stunning sunset, the delicious wine, and the serene atmosphere creates a magical experience. Don't forget to visit Akrotiri, an ancient city buried by a volcano, which shows Santorini's interesting past. This archaeological site offers a glimpse into the island's rich history and culture. Whether you want a romantic trip, an exciting vacation, or just a relaxing time, Santorini is amazing. The island offers a perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and romance. Next, we'll go to an island full of ancient stories, where history and mythology come alive. Our second stop is Crete, the biggest Greek island, a place where the past and present beautifully intertwine. Here, ancient myths and modern life coexist in a fascinating blend. Crete is steeped in history, being the cradle of the Minoan civilization, one of Europe's oldest and most influential cultures. Step back in time at the Palace of Knossos, where the echoes of ancient kings, queens, and mythical creatures still linger in the air. Imagine wandering through these ancient ruins, each stone whispering tales of a grand civilization that once thrived here. But Crete is not just a treasure trove of history. The island boasts towering mountains, lush green valleys, and stunning beaches that cater to every kind of traveler. Embark on an adventure through the Samaria Gorge, the longest gorge in Europe, and be captivated by its breathtaking natural beauty. Savor the local cuisine, from the freshest seafood to the most delectable cheeses, and don't miss out on tasting the island's renowned olive oil, a staple in Cretan cooking. Meet the warm and welcoming Cretan people, who have a deep love for music, dancing, and vibrant celebrations. From its ancient ruins to its modern-day allure, Crete offers a unique experience for every visitor. So get ready, because our next island promises an exhilarating nightlife that you won't want to miss. Get ready to dance all night in Mykonos, the island that really wakes up after sunset. Mykonos is famous for its parties and clubs. Imagine dancing until morning in world-famous clubs, with exciting music and energy. But Mykonos is more than just parties. Explore Mykonos town with its famous windmills. Get lost in the streets finding hidden shops, art and cafes. Relax on the beaches, from family-friendly ornos to fancy saru. And try the local food, like fresh seafood, Greek dishes, and lots of yummy cocktails. Mykonos is a place to have fun, be carefree, and make memories. But our trip isn't over yet. Get ready to go back in time in Rhodes, an island full of history and romance. This enchanting island, located in the southeastern Aegean Sea, is a treasure trove of ancient wonders and medieval charm. Rhodes was home to one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the Colossus of Rhodes, and is full of stories of knights and ancient times. The island's rich history is evident in every corner, from the ruins of ancient temples to the statues of medieval knights. Explore Rhodes Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with medieval castles, cobblestone streets and old ruins. Walking through its narrow alleys feels like stepping into a different era, where every stone has a story to tell. Imagine walking down the Street of the Knights where the Knights Hospitaller lived. This street, lined with grand buildings and intricate architecture, is a testament to the island's chivalrous past. But Rhodes has more than history. It seamlessly blends the old with the new, offering a vibrant mix of historical sites and modern attractions. It has amazing beaches, from busy Faliraki to quiet Prasanizi. Whether you're looking for a lively beach scene or a tranquil escape, Rhodes has something for everyone. Explore the Valley of the Butterflies, a beautiful place with thousands of butterflies. This natural wonder is a serene haven, perfect for nature lovers and those seeking a peaceful retreat. And try the local wines made in special ways for centuries. The vineyards of Rhodes produce some of the finest wines in Greece, offering a delightful experience for wine enthusiasts. Rhodes is an island you'll love. Its blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a perfect destination for all kinds of travelers. Next, we're going to an island known for its amazing nature. Get ready for adventure in Zakynthos, an island for thrill seekers and nature lovers. Zakynthos is famous for Navagio Beach, also called Shipwreck Beach. Imagine swimming in the blue waters of Navagio Beach with the old shipwreck nearby. Explore the blue caves where the sunlight makes the water glow. Go scuba diving or snorkeling in the clear water and see lots of sea life. Hike through the forests and mountains and find hidden waterfalls and amazing views. And see the loggerhead sea turtles, a protected species that nests on the beaches. Zakynthos is a place to enjoy nature, challenge yourself, and make great memories. Our next island is more relaxed. Get ready to be charmed by Corfu, an island where Venetian and Greek traditions mix. Corfu loves to celebrate with lots of festivals and cultural events. Experience the Corfu Carnival, a colourful party with parades, costumes and music. See the Easter processions, a special tradition. Learn about the island's history at the Palace of St. Michael and St. George, a beautiful Venetian building. Walk through the streets of Corfu Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and find hidden squares, cafes and shops. Relax on the beaches, from busy Palio Castrizza to quiet Agios Gordios, and try the local food with Greek and Italian flavours. Corfu is an amazing island. Our last stop is an island of peace and quiet. Our next stop is Naxos, an island where you can relax and forget your worries. Naxos is known for its relaxed feeling and beautiful nature, and it's the perfect place to escape. Imagine walking on the beaches, feeling the soft sand and listening to the waves. Relax under the sun and let go of your stress. Explore the charming villages, meet friendly locals, and experience Greek hospitality. Visit the ancient Temple of Demeter on a hill overlooking the sea, hike through the island and find hidden waterfalls and great views, and try the local food, like the famous potatoes, cheeses and wines. Naxos is an island that will make you feel good. I hope you enjoyed our trip through the Greek islands. Oh yes, I almost forgot. I have included some great travel-related links in the description below. You can find everything from resort and hotel booking to car hire and travel insurance, and lots more. I hope you find them useful and make some savings on your next trip. Thanks for joining me on this amazing trip through the Greek islands. I hope this video makes you want to visit these places. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss my next adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and dreaming of your next trip.